Few days back, I have briefed you about the incidents which happened at Sakinaka police station in Mumbai. It was a heinous crime coupled with murder, and the victim died during the treatment. I have already given you the details the other day, so I am not repeating it here. In this offense, the victim belonged to a particular caste. So, we have applied the section of Scheduled Caste, Scheduled Tribe Atrocities Act in the said offense, and we will be investigating the same. We had arrested the accused. In the interrogation, he had confessed the crime, and we have also recovered the weapon that he has used in this crime. We could put the sequence of events and the crime in a proper time slot on the basis of the video clips available to us from the various sources of CCTV cameras, and we got the complete picture before the offense and after the offense, including the offense. So the timeline is very clear and the sequences are very clear. Since it is a heinous crime, the government of Maharashtra has appointed the renowned advocate Mr. Raja Thakre in this matter, who has been dealing in very important cases for state government as well as central government. We are almost in the final leg of our investigation, and the only thing that will take some time, because the analysis of the samples takes time, which is the DNA profiling, what we will be conducting on the victim and the accused specimens. Doing all this, we will be ready to file the charge sheet within next 1 month time. Two important developments as far as the crime is concerned. National Commission for Women member Mrs. Chandramukhi and National Commission for Scheduled Caste Vice Chairman Mr. Arun Haldar visited the spot of crime. They have also visited the residence of the victim. Both these commission members, they have interacted with our officers and the investigation they have gone through. Mr. Arun Haldar, Vice Chairman of National Commission of Scheduled Caste, he met Honorable Chief Minister, Maharashtra State, along with Honorable Home Minister, Chief Secretary, ACS Home, DGP, CP Mumbai, Joint CP Law and Order, Joint CP Crime, ACS Social Welfare Department, ACS Child and Women Development, and other officials. And Honorable CM has announced that in all the government schemes and from the CM Relief Fund, a total amount of rupees 20 lakh will be given to the dependents of the victim, who are 3 daughters. This financial aid will be processed as per the rules, and as per the protocol it will be at various stages, it will be handed over to the dependents of the victim. Thank you.